Hi everyone. Today we will learn how we can draw a 3D rectangle in Autocad. So let's start. This is Autocad 2024 3D environment. Make sure you should be in 3D modeling here. So we have to go to home here and we have to select here view southwest isometry, and we can off the grids by clicking here. Now to create a rectangle we have to select box, click on the screen here and give a distance. First type at the rate. Let's say I want 2 meter. Then breadth is 3 meter and height we will give a meter. Now our rectangle is created. You can go to here and click on conceptual and you can see that we create the rectangle here. So this is the one way. Now we will go back again in southwest here. Let's say you want to create a rectangle with chamfer or a radius. You have to click here rectangle. Then you have to select here. First we will choose chamfer one. We will click on C and we will give the chamfer distance 25, 25, and we select here. Now we have to give length and breadth. So length I will give 1500 and breadth will be the. So now the rectangle created with a chamfer. So now you can extrude this one here. You have to select extrude and give a height 500, whatever you want. So this is with chamfer. You can increase and decrease the chamfer length. So again you click here and this time we will choose fillet, enter, and we have to give the radius maybe 100. Now you have to type again your dimensions here. So this time I will give 3 meter by 2.5. Now you can extrude this one here and I will give height a meter. So in this way we can create a rectangle in AutoCAD 3D. So first way from straight away box and give dimension at the rate, length, breadth and height. Your rectangle will be created in 3D automatically. And if you want to create with chamfer or radius, then you have to click on rectangle, give chamfer and radius, then you have to extrude. If you have any comment related to this rectangle, please comment below. Thanks for watching.